Climb inside the 2018 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.